This video brought to you by Prehistoric Scenes at prehistoricscenes.net.
Hello everyone, John here with an update on the Neanderthal Man project. I recently got in first run of test prints here and got some arms, some legs. Arms. So as with any development project, there's some work to be done. So part of the idea is that you could change the legs out. The kit that I'm doing is going to have 3 different sets of legs, and it's going to have hopefully you can see it, friction adapters here that's going to allow to, let's see if we can put this one here maybe. So this still needs some work. Let me see if this will work the other body. I got one of these to work. One combination of these to work earlier. But the idea is that you could snap it in, then you could pull it apart, and then snap in a different set of legs. Like so. Rather than with the original, you had to glue it in, or not glue it, but assemble it into the body. And then once it was there, you couldn't change the legs without disassembling the body here. Then there is the arms that are going to use a similar connector system that you may see on the Triceratops, where again, and there's a problem with this, and I'll talk about that in a minute, where you could change the arms out, and part of the problem is that the hole is not deep enough yet. I am working with the 3D sculptor guy out of Italy by the name of Alberto, who's working on that. So we have a little bit of an issue that should be resolved in the next iteration here. Let's see if I can get this one to work. Yeah, the problem is that the hole is not deep enough. So we've already had that discussion, and there he is. But again, the idea is that you'll be able to change the arms out. You know, you can have one set of arms that hold up the boulder and another that holds up the club. So anyway, as far as the detail goes, I'm very pleased with the detail. These were scanned by Zealot Miniatures, and the detail's really pretty good. So there's a couple little friction spots here that you may see. And one of the other things that we're looking at a different resin that is, without going too deep into it, it's a little more flexible, so it's not as brittle. So that's what's going on with our Neanderthal Man project right now. So stay tuned. Hopefully I will have more updates in the next month or so. I'm getting ready to move, so everything's kind of on hold until I get that done. But once I get that done, I should have some more updates on this and the new series with the Austroraptor, and looking at different scales on that. I'm thinking the Austroraptor is probably going to be 1/24th scale instead of 1/13th scale, because at 1/24th scale, it's like 18 inches long. It's really large. My hope is that When I get everything up and running, I will be able to offer kind of pick your own scale option. And for the Neanderthal Man, I'm thinking 1/8, 1/13, 1/35th, and 1/56 scale. And then on the Austroraptor and the new line coming forward will be 1/13th at the maximum, 1/24th, 1/35th, and 1/56 scale. So that's what I've got in the works. So stay tuned. We'll have more information probably in the next, hopefully, month or so. So things are moving along. So stay tuned.